Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a high-quality air purifier that not only cleans your indoor air, but also adds a pleasant fragrance, then you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the AROEVE air purifier for bedroom with HEPA filtration and aromatherapy function. This air purifier is equipped with HEPA filters that meet high-efficiency particulate air standards, ensuring efficient filtration of smoke, pollen, dander, hair, and more. By turning on the purifier, you can improve the quality of your indoor air and enjoy a healthier life. But that's not all. You can also add 4-5 drops of your favorite essential oil to the top aromatherapy pad to enhance your indoor air with a pleasant scent. The fragrance will circulate throughout the room with the fresh air, providing a healthy and comfortable environment for you and your family to enjoy. What's more, this air purifier operates at just 20 decibels in sleep mode thanks to its reduced fan speed. Even though it's quietly working hard to filter the air, you'll hardly notice its presence, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful and calm indoor environment. With advanced air spiral technology and 360-degree inlets, this air purifier refreshes the air per hour in spaces up to 215 sq-feet 20 sqm, providing a 25% increase in purification efficiency for a healthier and more comfortable living environment. To ensure that the air purifier continues to work effectively, it comes with a filter replacement reminder that will turn on the replacement light after 2,000 hours of use. We suggest replacing the filter cartridge every 3-6 months to ensure the health of you and your family. If you're ready to take the next step in improving your indoor air quality and enjoying a pleasant aroma, then make sure to check out the AROEVE air purifier for bedroom with the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to create a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. Subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching.